I like your pants around your feet, and I like the dirt that's on your knees, and I like the way you still say please while you're looking up at me. You're like my favorite damn disease, and I love the places that we go, and I love the people that you know, and I love the way you can't say no to many long lines in a row. I love the powder on your nose. Ooh, and now I know who you are. It wasn't that hard just to figure you out. And now I know who you are. It wasn't that hard just to figure you out. I like the freckles on your chest,